नमस्कार, मी निलिमा कदम. पूर्व उच्च प्राथमिक शिष्यवृत्ती परीक्षा इयत्ता 5वी. पहिला पेपर जो आहे तो आपला आहे प्रथम भाषा व गणित. प्रथम भाषा यामध्ये 25 प्रश्न, प्रत्येक प्रश्न 2 मार्काचा, याप्रमाणे 50 गुणांचा, आणि गणित 50 प्रश्न एकूण 100 गुणांसाठी. तर अशा प्रकारे पहिला पेपर आपला 150 मार्काचा, यामध्ये भाषा आणि गणित यांचा समावेश होतो. 1.5 तास याला वेळ आहे आणि 150 मार्कांचा हा पहिला पेपर असतो. आज आपण गणिताचा पहिला घटक अभ्यासणार आहोत. आंतरराष्ट्रीय व रोमन संख्या चिन्हे, इंटरनॅशनल अँड रोमन न्यूमरल्स. These are the international numbers. We are familiar with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. आंतरराष्ट्रीय संख्या चिन्ह आहेत ही. These are Roman numerals. बऱ्याच वेळेला तुम्हाला घड्याळामध्ये ही अक्षरं अशा प्रकारे दिसून येतात. These are nothing but Roman numerals. In Europe, in the old times, Roman capital letters were used to write the numbers. Now, in these numbers, as you see here, only X, I, and V, right? So, the letter I, X, and V, only 3 letters are used to write these Roman numerals. The letter I was used for denoting number 1. V means 5 and X means 10. तर रोमन संख्या ज्या आहेत या I, V आणि X या 3च इंग्रजी अक्षरांनी लिहिल्या जातात. In this method, you will notice that there was no symbol for zero. झिरो साठी कोणताही या ठिकाणी आपल्याला अक्षर दिसून येत नाही. Now, I is used for 1, then V is used for 5 and X is used for 10. Okay, only I, V and X, using these English alphabets, we can write Roman numerals. Now, to write these Roman numerals, there are certain rules. Rule number 1. If either of the symbols I or X is written consecutively 2 or 3 times, their sum total is the number they make. I व X यापैकी एखादं चिन्ह आपल्याला 2 किंवा 3 वेळा एकापुढे एक लिहिता येतं आणि त्यांची बेरीज करून ती संख्या आपल्याला मिळते. For example, see here, I means 1 plus 1, that is 2. So, to denote 2 in Roman, we write it as I. I means 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. X, that is X means 10, therefore 10 plus 10, that is 20. Only I and X. Remember, only I and X can be written 2 or 3 times. X means 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 30. Okay. Rule number 2. The symbol I or X can be repeated consecutively for a maximum of 3 times. The numeral V is never repeated consecutively. Now, first in rule first we have seen that I or X can be repeated maximum thrice, but the numeral V is never repeated consecutively. V हे चिन्ह एका पुढे एक लिहिलं जात नाही. ओके, फक्त आय किंवा एक्स ही चिन्ह आपल्याला एका पुढे एक जास्तीत जास्त 3 वेळा लिहिता येतात. रूल नंबर 3, when either I or V is written on the right of the symbol of a bigger number, its value is added to the value of the bigger number. See here, I किंवा V यापैकी एखादे चिन्ह मोठ्या संख्येच्या चिन्हाच्या उजवीकडे लिहिले तर त्याची किंमत मोठ्या संख्येच्या चिन्हाच्या किमतीत मिळवली जाते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, see here VI. Here V is the larger number, that is 5, and on the right hand side I is written. So 5 plus 1, that is 6. Okay. Next, XVI. So V X 10, V5 I1. So 10 plus 5 plus 1, that is 16. VII means 5 plus 3, that is 8. Okay. So either I or V is written on the right side, then its value is added to the bigger number. Rule number 4, when I is written on the left of V or X, then its value is subtracted from the value of V or X. However, the symbol I is not written more than once before V or X. तर I हे चिन्ह V किंवा X च्या डावीकडे लिहिले तर त्याची किंमत त्या V किंवा X मधून वजा केली जाते, म्हणजेच 5 किंवा 10 मधून. मात्र I हे चिन्ह आपण फक्त एक वेळाच लिहू शकतो, मागे V किंवा X च्या मागे एकदाच लिहू शकतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, see here IV. It is on the left hand side. So 5 minus 1, that is 4. IX. X means 10, I means 1. So 10 minus 1, that is 9. And rule number 5. To write the numbers from 1 to 20 in Roman numerals, we first distribute a given number into groups of 10, 5 and 1. And then apply the rules given above. तर 20 पर्यंतच्या संख्या लिहिण्यासाठी प्रथम ती संख्या 10, 5 व 1 अशा गटात विभागून वरील जे नियम आपण अभ्यासलेले आहेत त्यानुसार रोमन संख्या लिहिल्या जातात. उदाहरणार्थ बघा, 13 आपण कशी विभागणी करणार? 10 आणि 1 म्हणजे 10 अधिक 1 अधिक 1 अधिक 1. 10 साठी आपण वापरला X आणि 1 साठी I. So X I. 16. We can write 16 as 10 plus 5 plus 1. For 10 we write X, 5 for 5 V and for 1 I. So XVI means 16. 19. So 10 plus 10 minus 1. 9 means 10 minus 1. So for 10 X, for this 10 again X and minus 1. So when we want to subtract, what we have to do? Write I on the left hand side. Therefore X I X. I on the left hand side, so it is subtracted from this X. So X I X means 19. So for 1 I, 2 I, 3 I. For 4, how we write 4? 5 minus 1, so IV, right? For 5, we use the number V. For 6, 5 plus 1, therefore VI. 7, VII. And for 8, VII. So I we can write maximum 3 times. Then 9, 10 minus 1. So I is on the left hand side, it is subtracted, so IX. And for 10, we use the letter X. Now there are some alphabets which used to denote these numbers. For 10 we use X. Okay. Now for 30 we write X, X, X maximum 3 times. But what about 50? What about 100? So there are some alphabets. For example, for 50 L is used. For 100 the letter C is used. For 500 alphabet D, capital D, and for 1000 capital M. So these are the special alphabets, that is Roman numerals, used for these numbers. Now let's see how we are going to write these numbers. Now 40. 40 means we cannot write X, X, X 4 times. So 40 means 50 minus 10. For 50 we are using the letter L, right? So L and before that X. So 50 minus 10, that is 40, XL. Now 35. 30 means 10, 10, 10. 3 times we can write plus 5, that is 35. Therefore X, X, X and V. For 29. How we will write 29? So 10 plus 10 plus 9. For 10 we are using X, 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 and for 9 IX. Okay. 58. 50 plus 5 plus 3. For 50 we are using L. So L, V, I. 49. 49 means 50 minus 1. For 50 L and before that left hand side I. So I, L, that is 49. 26. 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1. So X, X, V, I. Okay. Now remember these. 1 to 10. Then 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. LX 50 plus 10. 70, 80, 90 means 100 minus 10. And for 100 C. So in this way we are writing the Roman numerals. आंतरराष्ट्रीय संख्यांमध्ये लिहा. Write these Roman numerals in international numbers. Now V, I. V means 5. 5 plus 3, that is 8. X, IX. X means 10 and IX. I is on the left hand side. So subtracting from this 10, that is 9. So 10 plus 9, that is 19. XL. L means 50 and X is on the left hand side. Therefore 50 minus 10, that is 40. XC. C means 100. X on the left hand side. Therefore 100 minus 10, that is 90. Okay. So try to write these numbers in Roman numbers so that you can get the practice of writing these Roman numerals. Dear friends, please subscribe the channel and also by pressing this bell icon you can get the notification of the new video. Thank you.